Welcome to kittupathsala. Food's name. Funnel cake means jalebi. Risol means samosa. Fritters means pakode. Pie means kachori. Pancake means malpua. Water balls means pani puri. Potato cake means aloo tikki. Butter means makhan. Clarified butter means ghee. Curd means dahi. Mixed curd means raita. Cheese means paneer. Cream means malai. Churned curd means lassi. Buttermilk means छाछ या मट्ठा. Pudding means kheer. Hodgepodge means khichdi. Flattened rice means poha. Bread means roti. Flat unleavened bread means paratha. Indian fried bread means puri. Papadum means papad. Pickle means achar. Sauce means chutney. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.